Hey, I am Neil from Hexo AI, and today I am going to be using the Hexo agent to code a time series prediction model using the S&P 500 index stock. So the Hexo agent is an eval-based agent that uses AI to convert our task description into production-ready apps in just a few clicks. Getting into the task description. So since we wanted to get the next day movement of the S&P 500 stock. This is what we have written. So we have provided the model with the daily stock market data from July 3rd, 1950 onwards, and the task is a binary classification problem. Will the index go up or down on the next trading day? So this is the details of the data set that we have provided. The open, high, low, close, and the volume of the stock traded on that particular date. We have given it output instructions that it needs to give us each date and whether or not whether the stock will go up or down on that date. The method of solving is we have recommended a few steps, but it is quite broad according to what the AI might choose. We have asked it to use lag volume values. We have asked it to use logistic regression, random forest, or gradient boosting. Yeah, this is the train test split, the standard 80% and 20%. The evaluation criteria is the F1 score. The stopping criteria is to reach an F1 score of 0.85. Quite an ambitious criteria because it is not as easy to predict stock market, but let's see what the agent is able to do over here. Yeah, so this is the chat window where we can see how the agent has worked through with the problem. It starts by looking at the structure of the data set, installs the necessary library that creates the train.py script, and it includes all of these steps. The point of this window is so that you can go back and look at each step that the agent has taken, and you can find out basically where the agent went wrong or where it made a mistake, and you can go and correct that later on. Yeah, it is creating an evaluation script. Doing over here. In the first iteration, it has reached an F1 score of 0.5697. Then it starts another iteration. So along similar lines, it is editing the file, and yeah, and it has reached an F1 score of 0.671. At this place, you can go into view code and you can see the code at this particular checkpoint. This is evaluate.py, this is inference.py. You can see train.py, and yeah, so this is the output, 1 or 0, and the probability that has. We can head over to metrics. This was our one with 0.67 as the score. We can go over to app, and let's do a date range prediction over here from 1st January 22 to, let's see, we go to July 21st, and let predict this range. So yeah, as you can see here, up predictions are 122, down predictions are 9, and this is the average confidence in this particular interval that the model has. And these are all the trading days and the predictions for each day. This is a Streamlit app, which again is generated automatically by the Hexo agent in a single click. You can regenerate it, refresh it, stop it. So yeah, that was the project made using Hexo agent. Thank you.